Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide chats on Snapchat in a simple and easy way. This method works on both Android and iPhone, and it's perfect if you want to keep certain conversations private or just clean up your chat feed. So first, open your Snapchat app. At the bottom, tap on Messages to go to your chat list. Now, find the conversation you want to hide and press and hold on it for a few seconds. A long menu will pop up with options like Manage Friendship, Chat and Notification Settings, and more. Tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Here you'll see options like Clear from Chat Feed, Pin Conversation, Pin Shortcut, and Delete Chat. Go ahead and tap on Clear from Chat Feed. Snapchat will ask you to confirm. Just tap Clear, and the chat will instantly disappear from your chat list. This is a really handy trick if you want to clean up your chats quickly without unfriending anyone. It keeps your Snapchat feed organized and ensures that only the conversations you want visible are showing. Plus, it's a great way to hide older chats that you don't need to see all the time, but might want to keep for reference later. You can repeat this for as many chats as you like, giving you full control over how your Snapchat looks and feels. And that's it. Your chat is now hidden from the main feed, keeping your Snapchat organized and private. Remember, the conversation isn't permanently deleted. It can reappear if a new message comes through from that person. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.